Okay, this is not your regular cooler. This is the BougeRV 12-volt portable fridge. And today, we're testing it like never before. It's got a 30 quart capacity, a built-in compressor, and plugged into your car, truck, or RV, even a wall outlet. Setup, just plug it in, and you're done. And it cools all the way down to -8 degrees Fahrenheit or up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on what you're storing, that's actual freezer level in your trunk space. This is compressor cooling, not that ice pack cooler stuff. It's powerful, fast, and super quiet. It's compact, super solid, and works with 12 volts or 24 volts DC or 110 to 240 volt AC. That means car, truck, RV, even your house. It's perfect for road trips, camping, tailgating, emergencies, or just grabbing cold drinks from the driveway. If you need a reliable, high-performance fridge freezer on the go, the BougeRV is a game changer. Click the link. Keep your stuff cold whenever you go. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.